The Running Right Leadership Academy is located in Julian, West Virginia, and represents the consummation of a lot of years of thought and planning. I think the most exciting thing for me about it is it was designed by coal miners for coal miners. It's an institution where all of our miners across our company can come to for training and education as it relates to coal mine health safety, as well as the environment and our whole Running Right philosophy. It's a 146,000 square foot facility. About 80,000 feet of that is actually an underground coal mine, a simulated underground coal mine. So you get to put new miners and existing miners in actual mining conditions and expose them to some of the hazards that they might see during their everyday work. It allows us to train them so that they know what to expect when they get on the job. So I think that part of it is very exciting. We expended roughly $24 million putting it in. It took about a year to build. But over time, what we plan to do is open the academy up to both other coal companies as well as our vendors and anybody who would like to come on the grounds, because we think we have a very valuable product that we can offer that will greatly enhance coal mine health and safety for a long time to come.
We are very proud of our commitment to West Virginia. Our business started in West Virginia, in Glenville actually, in the early 1960s, and we've been active here that entire time. So we've been drilling wells and producing wells, and our headquarters have been in Charleston since 1987. And we recently, at the end of last year, moved into a new building. And we had a choice. We could have certainly moved out of Charleston, but that was never a serious consideration. We are so thrilled with the people we have here. We've got a phenomenal workforce. It's a wonderful place to live and work and do business. My family is here, and I've been in Charleston now over 10 years, and we love being here. And we love the state of West Virginia. It's a great place to do business. We find, from an operating standpoint, with the wells we drill and produce and pipelines and all the activity we have, it's a very good place to do business. It's a very fair regulatory framework, and the state does a nice job making it a good place to be and an easy place to do business.
Okay, the development of the Marcellus and Utica shales in our area has affected Ergon in two ways. First is we use natural gas as a heating source for the plant, and as a result, the abundant supply, reliable supply of low-cost natural gas helps us refine petroleum products more cost-effectively. The second impact is, and greater impact is, there's quite a bit of oil that comes out of the shales, and Ergon was well positioned in our area to be a major part of that business development. In addition to the refinery to process that oil, we have a trucking company which goes out in the field and gathers the oil from the well sites. We bring it to our terminaling facilities where it's stored and ultimately transported to the refinery and processed. And in addition to what we process in the refinery, we also sell excess. We gather between 15 to 20,000 barrels a day of oils from the shales. We process up to 5,000 barrels per day in the plant, and the rest is transported downriver for sale as far as the Gulf Coast for crude oil or chemicals feedstock.